Right. Pads. I'm going to talk in third person here. So, yeah, we've got Park in the lesson. Amazing talent. He's just not quite there yet with the fullness. And one of the things we're working on today is pads. Where we go. There we are, I think. There's a pads midi. You should just drop it in as drop it straight onto Skype, you know. Saves you that extra step. It's worth noting that the track's not there yet. There's a lot of work to do, so he knows that. You know that, right, Parker? There's still some things to be done, but yeah, I mean, the sound that you've got now is so much more improved than before. It's really one of them moments where it's like, wow. Sometimes you question, do lessons really work? Because it's all well and good showing someone something, but put them into practice. But there's just, you've got some clients who are just like, wow, they're before and after. We've got a guy in the studio with me at the minute, Sid, and just his sound quality before and after, much like yours, Parker, it's ridiculous. So it's really nice to see you guys improving, man. Really warms my heart, so to speak. Anyway, I'll shut up speaking a lot of crap now. But let's put this pad in. So yeah, just for anyone watching this video, Parker was saying he was really struggling with the pads, and I was like, send me your pads, let's have a little bash.
I've got two bloodshot eyes and a bittersweet smile. I can be so much more than worthwhile.
Fucking love that flanger on the vocal, so good. Turn the LFO tool off when the breakdown comes in. Got a really nice pack for Spire. See if I can find it. Ooh, what's it called? It is this emotion pad, says it's gorgeous. we're running out of headroom on this channel, so I'm having to turn up the bus channel. So this is the perfect time to use a limiter. And a limiter is just going to allow you to get more volume out of the sound. Without going into a red.
I can be so much more. I can be
What's actually really funny about this is in a drop, they're not as noticeable, but in a breakdown, oh my gosh, they are insanely different. So all I've done is just basically laid some different pads. We've got some really short ones, we've got a nice thick one, and 2 little atmosphere pads. The 2 atmosphere pads are pinned left and right. And you can see there's nothing special going on. EQ and a limiter, because we was running out of room and was going into the red, so that's why you use a limiter. Again, same thing and same thing. Very simple. You let the bus do the work, as I keep saying a million times. Listen to this. It's not actually as prominent on this sound with the Ox Acoustic because there's no Mag EQ4. But in this case, you don't need Mag EQ4. And I'm trying to personally avoid using Mag EQ4 for a lot of things because I find as great as it is, it makes you sound quite harsh. And I'm trying to warm my sound up now. So, I mean, how crazy is that? Like, it sounds so fucking good with just 4 pads. But the reason it sounds so good is because all of the background content that Parker has put in there. So, yeah, but we'll probably call that a day now. Have it a good listen, bounce it down, have a listen fresh, send it over to Parker, let him have a bash at it, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But let's have a little listen then one more time. Awesome. So that's made a real big difference now. So cheers for watching.